How to download and install the Prism AI on your Android phone. So first open Play Store if you haven't already, and after a moment your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the search button on the bottom right corner. Then you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and search Prism AI. After searching, you'll see an app which is launched by Mia Design Studio. Simply tap on the install button, and after a few moments Prism AI will be installed on your phone. Then simply tap on the open option and you can now start using the AI. And these are some simple steps you can follow to install the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.